So I'm going to use Ethereum for this walkthrough because it gives us a simple way to go through the whole process from the initial setup to the actual trading sessions. So AI crypto trading gets complicated. A platform can look completely automated on the surface, but then you find out that you still need to configure strategy, install some software, connect different tools, adjust parameters, and keep checking the bot manually. I've been testing different crypto projects and trading systems for several years, so I tend to look at that part first. If the system is supposed to be automated, I want the setup to be simple, and I want the trading process to continue without me having to sit here and control every move. Here, Claude is built directly into the trading bot, so I'm not using Claude as a separate assistant and then manually turning its suggestions into trades. The AI is part of the trading system itself, while the platform takes care of the rest of the process. So we're on the main page. This is the dashboard, and it gives a pretty quick overview of what the system is doing. We can see trading activity, analytics, reports for the positions, and the rest of the account information from this screen. Okay, here we can see the current trading session. It shows the time the session started, how long it has been active, how many trades have taken place, and the current win rate. From what I can see here, the system works through hourly sessions, so the information gets refreshed as the next session begins. So here's the 3 plans available for the agent. Each plan has its own set of features listed underneath, so you can see what changes depending on the option you choose. For this test, I've been using the first plan for a little over 2 weeks now. So Wallet tab. All deposits are shown here along with balance changes, withdrawals, and the amounts recorded after each trading session. So instead of trying to keep track of all these changes myself, I can just come back to this page and see what happened. Okay, so now let me show how to get this system running. If you've just created the account, the dashboard will show that the trading system is currently stopped. So this is the part where we need to start it. We move into the setup. Here's the Get Started button. Now it asks me to select the token. For this walkthrough, I'm going with Ethereum. And here's the address I need, so I'll copy that and send a deposit. Okay, my transaction's confirmed, balance updated, and we can see the session information has changed as well. And now the important part happens automatically. Claude Trade starts up and begins trading sessions without me having to go through another configuration step. I'm not choosing a strategy here, I'm not entering individual trades, and not sitting there changing settings while the bot is running. The system takes over from this point, so my role is basically to watch the activity and check the results through the dashboard. That's the part I found most convenient. I can close the screen, come back later, and see what happened instead of having to keep the trading interface open and monitor every position. So now let me show you how the withdrawal works. Okay, the amount available to withdraw is shown here. This figure represents the activity recorded over the last several days. So here I'll choose Ethereum and paste destination address. Press withdraw, and now we just wait for the transaction to be processed. So while that's happening, let me explain why the Claude part matters here. There's a difference between having an AI somewhere on the side and actually having it connected to the trading system. If I had to open Claude myself, ask it for an analysis, decide whether I agree with it, and then manually place the trade, that wouldn't really be an automated setup. Here, the idea is different. Claude is already working inside it, so the trading decisions are handled within the system. That means I'm not sitting in front of charts all day waiting for something to happen. I don't have to manually open or close positions, I don't have to keep changing the settings when the market moves, and I don't need to keep restarting the system because some separate piece of software stopped running. That's what makes this easier to use from my side. Anyway, if you have questions about any of this, leave them in comments. I'll keep testing the platform and share more from my own experience as I go. Also, I'll leave the platform link in description and pin it in comments. There are a lot of fake crypto platforms and cloned websites around, and some of them can look very close to the real thing, so check it carefully before.